Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ritika Malhotra, Head of the Department Dental Sciences, Fortis Hospital, Gurugram. Here we are offering the best state-of-art dental treatment. We have all the latest equipments and technologies, from the scanner, digital scanning is being done. We have implant facility for implants, full mouth implants. We are also doing clear aligners, which is Invisalign invisible braces. Not just this, we are also treating all the complex cases of oral and maxillofacial surgeries and all the trauma cases. And apart from this, we are also offering all the specialities. So all the in-house specialists are there for all the fields of dentistry, whether it is gum treatment, periodontist is there, whether you talk about orthodontist for braces, he's also available. We have a team of super skilled doctors. So if any problem, any kind of dental related issues you have, you're more than welcome here. Thank you.